welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to just get rid of your audio on Vegas Movie Studio. So first what you're going to want to do is get your media. So first you click Add Media, and you go find your media. You grab your Among Us or whatever you're using, and you click Yes.
Alright, no one was a...
And then you click away, you click U, and then select the one. You can do that, and then go up on it, and then click the delete button. That's easy. And then you can also do it like this. You can get rid of the, you can also get rid of it by clicking U, selecting it, and then clicking, no, wait. As I was saying, you can click U, and then you can just, geez, what the? So you're gonna click U, click this, and then click delete. And then that's how you would get rid of this. As you can see, no audio. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Bye. But then you can also split it into different parts. So if you just want to split a certain part, you can click this button down here, the split button. And then you go to the part you want it to just trim. You click the split. You can